Do you believe it? With just a few lines of text, you can generate stunning works of art. That's right. This is Midjourney, an AI-powered image generation tool that turns the ideas in your mind into reality. And the operation is surprisingly simple. Let me walk you through everything, step by step. To use Midjourney, you'll need Discord, as it's the main platform for this tool. Download and install Discord on your computer, then create an account and log in. Next, go to Midjourney's website. Click Sign Up and create a Midjourney account. Choose to register with Discord, and your account will be automatically linked to your Discord profile. Once you join the Midjourney server, you'll see several newbie channels where you can use the Midjourney bot to create art in public channels. However, to avoid your messages getting lost in the crowd, you can use Midjourney in your own private server. Here's how. Click Add Server on the left side, then create your own server. After that, return to the Midjourney server, find the Midjourney bot, click it, and choose Add to Server to add the bot to your private server. Whenever you use Midjourney to generate an image, it consumes GPU time from your subscription plan. The amount of time used depends on whether you're in fast or turbo mode. These modes speed up the process but don't affect the final result. If you're on the standard plan, you can use relax mode for unlimited GPU time. The core of Midjourney lies in the prompt, essentially the description you give to guide the AI in creating your image. To begin, simply type /imagine in Discord followed by your description. For instance, a car. Midjourney will then generate 4 images based on what you've described. It's super straightforward, yet the results are absolutely stunning. Once the images are ready, you can use the buttons labeled U1, U2, U3, and U4 to upscale individual images from the grid. This makes it easy to download or further edit them using tools like zoom out or pan. Let's try creating something. Enter a woman sitting in yoga pose. And once the images are generated, you can use the V1, V2, V3, or V4 buttons to create slight variations of a selected image. To download a generated image, click the Web button, then use the Download button to save a 1024 by 1024 PNG file. So, how do you write a good prompt? First, clearly describe what you want to generate, the subject. Then, specify the art style or visual effects. Next, describe the environment, lighting, colors, like whether it's bright or in black and white, and the composition of the image. For instance, we can refine the earlier prompt to a woman sitting in a yoga pose on a field of blooming lotuses, peaceful and serene, soft gold light, vibrant colors. When you upscale an image, additional options appear at the bottom. For example, clicking the Very Strong button applies dramatic changes to the image by adding extra instructions to the prompt. The Very Subtle button makes minor tweaks, while the Very Region button lets you edit specific parts of the image. For regional edits, select the area using a rectangular tool and add prompts specific to that region. Make sure the new instructions align with the overall background to achieve better results. You can also use the Zoom Out button to expand the scene or choose to expand the image in specific directions, like upwards or downwards. In Midjourney, you can reverse engineer the prompt for an image. Simply type /describe and upload a picture. The AI will generate 4 prompts based on the image, and you can choose your favorite using the buttons below. If the prompts it generates are too lengthy or complicated, you can use the /shorten command to simplify and optimize them. In prompts, the double colon is used to adjust the weight of different elements, helping you control the emphasis of each part of the image. For example, if you enter futuristic robot the double colon 2, glowing light the double colon 1, the robot will dominate the image, while the glowing light will act as a subtle detail. Switch the weights to futuristic robot the double colon 1, glowing light the double colon 2, and the glowing light will become the main feature, perhaps creating an intense glowing effect around the robot. Midjourney also supports generating arrays of images with different variations, such as logos with varying background colors. To do this, enclose parts of the prompt in curly brackets separated by commas. However, keep in mind that this method consumes a significant amount of GPU time, so use it wisely. Another powerful feature is using reference images to guide the generation process. Type /imagine, Paste the link to a reference image and add your description. You can also upload local images by clicking the plus button, right-clicking the uploaded image, and selecting Copy Link. Then, combine this link with the /imagine command to include it in your prompt. Midjourney also provides a blend feature for combining multiple images. Simply use the /blend command and select up to 5 images. For example, blending 2 images could create a creature even more epic than Godzilla. Midjourney also supports command parameters. These are added at the end of your prompts to control the image's behavior, style, and results. For example, if your prompt is office, but you want to remove the computer from the desk, you can use the ~no parameter, ~no computer. This ensures the computer won't appear in the image. By default, Midjourney generates square images. To change the aspect ratio, you can use the ~r parameter. For example, ~AR16:9 creates an image with a widescreen ratio. You can select different versions of Midjourney's algorithms by using the ~v parameter. For example, ~v5 applies version 5, giving your images a unique and updated style. If you want to create something truly unusual, use the ~weird parameter, which ranges from 0 to 3000. Higher values make the image more eccentric and surreal. The ~stylize parameter, or ~s, adjusts how artistic the image is. Higher values result in more creative and stylized outcomes. For example, using ~s1000 produces highly artistic images. To configure your default settings, type /settings. Here you can select algorithm models, enable relax mode for unlimited image generation, and explore other customization options. By using the /info command, you can check your account and subscription details. If you're unsure about anything, the official Midjourney documentation provides detailed explanations. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.